Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here on a beautiful cattle ranch where we are carrying out one of the most important herd health practices, which is dipping. This ranch has about 500 heads of Brahman cattle, and today I will take you through the entire dipping process, explain why it is important, and show you how proper farm management keeps cattle healthy and productive. If you are eager to know about cattle farming, veterinary practices, and ranch life, make sure you subscribe and join us on the journey. Why we dip our cattle? Before we begin, let's understand why dipping is so important. Ticks are among the biggest challenge in cattle production. They spread diseases such as East Coast fever, babesiosis, anaplasmosis, and heart water. Each animal enters the race one at a time and moves through the deep tank, as you can see in the video. The aim is to ensure the entire body is covered with a calcite so that ticks hiding around the neck, legs, tail, belly, and other parts of the body are exposed to the calcite. As you see, every animal is passing through in an ordinary manner, making the process even with a large herd of around 500 head. Once the cattle leave the deep tank, they are allowed to drain before returning to their grazing paddocks. After dipping, the farm manager also checks for any animal that needs extra attention and keeps records for the dipping date and chemical used. And that's how we manage the dipping of about 500 Brahman cattle on this ranch.